This was a temporary setup while I brainstormed an idea for a permanent fix to this middle sag. We already upgraded the outlet hoses to remove the sag on those. Here is our solution for that pesky center sag. You can buy a pack of 4 of these J-hook pipe hangers at Menards, or probably any home improvement store, for right around $5. These are 2-inch J-hook pipe hangers. Then you're going to need some machine screws and lock nuts. We use stainless steel to minimize the chance for them to rust. These are the sizes we used, but it could vary depending on the hole diameter in the pipe hangers you buy. And of course, you'll want to remove the nails before you start. Then you just line the hooks up in opposite directions and run the screws through the holes on both hooks to achieve the length you want. A drill really helps for this part. Since the screws are a little long, we placed a cut piece of pool noodle over it. Seemed like a good idea since these are so close to the pool wall. This is a pretty easy and cheap fix for under $10 that makes it go from this to this. We think this is a much nicer setup than those hoses just laying on the ground and bending. I'll sleep a little better at night now, knowing that these won't fall, break apart, and empty half of our pool. I hope you like the idea, and I hope it helped.